Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or be discussing with you how to transfer Amazon gift card balance to another account. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you're having problems or if you want to transfer your Amazon gift card balance here, well, there are a few things that you may want to know here. Now, first things first, is this actually possible? Now, to answer that question, well, we need to visit the terms and conditions inside or directly from Amazon, because again, they are the company providing access or giving you access to your balance here, or that's where you hold your balance. Now, according to the limitation section here inside their terms of use for gift cards, it says that no portion of your Amazon.com balance may be transferred to another Amazon.com account. Now, meaning any balances that you contain inside your Amazon account will not be transferable. So meaning if you already redeemed your card, it won't be able, or you won't be able to transfer it to another Amazon account. Let's just say a friend or a family member. But the thing with this one is that's the only limitation here. You can't transfer it directly, but there are ways or alternative ways here in order for you to indirectly transfer your funds. Now, the direct and easiest one, or the this case, the direct way for you to transfer your funds is through direct purchases here. So, meaning what you could do is you could just ask like a friend or a family member if they want something from Amazon, and you can just basically buy or use your Amazon gift card balance to buy that item and basically make the exchange yourselves, or within those two, between your friend or between your family member. Now, that's the physical or the indirect way here. So you can just buy them the product and just basically exchange it for a different product or some other form. Now, another way for you to make the transfer is through basically another purchase of a card. Now, if you're not aware yet, you can actually use your Amazon gift card balance to buy another gift card inside Amazon. Now, only if Amazon provides or gives you access, or if Amazon allows you to do that. Now, it's quite different from region to region, but if your region actually supports that, you could go and just basically search for a gift card in here, and basically you should be able to buy another gift card and just email that new gift card to that person. Like, let's just say another Amazon gift card, or let's just say a DoorDash gift card, or a Apple gift card. Depends on what they need, and from then on, you can just make the exchange yourself. Just make sure that that you're making a transfer to a friend or a family member. But yeah, so currently this is the only way for you to make transfers, or this is the only way for you to make an equivalent exchange if you already redeemed your card balance here into your Amazon account. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.